What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I've actually been getting a ton of vibration from the steering wheel and the wheels at over like 75 to sometimes even over 65 miles an hour. So in this video, we're actually gonna take this Tesla to the Tesla service center so that they can diagnose it. I have a couple hunches on what I think it is, but I've also done a couple of things beforehand. So this is like kind of my last resort to take it to the Tesla service center because I actually took it to a couple other places beforehand. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video. We're gonna get into figuring out what the heck is going on with my Tesla. Thanks for watching another video, guys. If you're new here, my name is Dennis. I have a Tesla Model Y Performance and I make videos about my experiences. If you're interested in any of that, please hit that subscribe. So I actually think the problem wheel is this one. Which would be kind of weird, but I think it's because every single time when I drive, the vibration comes from this back left area. And my dog actually was sniffing this area a lot for some reason. So maybe the foam warped to the wheel and is creating some sort of smell. But it was really weird, but I took a picture of it, so I'll show it on the screen so you can kind of see what my dog was doing and like really looking at this wheel, but it was pretty interesting. But the reason why I think it's this wheel is because I just rotated it recently, but then I guess they would have caught it during the rotation, so I'm not exactly sure. But I dinged up the wheel that was on this side a lot, and it really curbed the wheels, so that could have caused it, but I'm actually not sure at all. So one quick tip before we go to the Tesla service center is when I initially set my Tesla service appointment, it put me for like a month from now. So I just went ahead and set the appointment just so I had one set in the books. But you can periodically go within the app and go to manage appointment reschedule. And it will show you from time to time other appointment slots that have opened up recently. And so you can change your appointment to earlier if one opens up. So luckily mine was originally set for a month from now on December 14th. And I was able to slowly bump it up to like this Friday, which was November, I think 12th. And then now I have it today, which is November 11th. So now we're gonna go on our way to the Los Angeles Service Center and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm feeling with the vibrations in the Tesla steering wheel and wheels. So the Tesla Service Center is 22 minutes from our destination, which isn't that bad at all, especially with Los Angeles traffic. But hopefully I should be able to show you what it's the vibration that I'm feeling because hopefully there won't be any traffic. Basically, that's what's going on. At about 65 or 65 plus, there's like a slight vibration and sometimes it gets worse whether I'm going uphill or downhill. And the Los Angeles roads don't really help at all because they're pretty shitty and they cause a lot of vibration as well. But there's a slight vibration and I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds like a choppy, like as if your windows were open and they were unbalanced. And it's like a noise, basically that's going on. And I'm pretty sure it's something to do with either suspension components being completely awry or the foam has separated from within the Tesla tire wheels. Because if you actually don't know, there is acoustic foam within your Tesla tires that you can Google image, or I'll post a picture right now so you can see what it looks like. But there's acoustic foam inside the tires that I guess help with noise reduction. And the foam on the inner side could actually separate, clump up to a ball, and cause a disbalance within the wheel. So one of my wheels back there actually has a ton of weight on one side, and so I suspect that's the issue. And really the only thing I can do at this point is bring it to Tesla service because I've heard you could probably get it warranted because it's supposed to be a new tire. But I've already brought this car to a tire shop in a couple of videos, America's Tire, to the shop in Glendale, America's Tire, to get it rebalanced twice, and there still is this issue. So I think this is my only step. I could either go to another shop and get the tire removed or swapped out or even just remove the acoustic foam. But I do want to see what Tesla will do about this. Will they just replace the tire? Because I did read on a couple forums that Tesla might even just give you new tires for free. So we're on our way to the Tesla service right now and we'll see what happens when we get there. All right, so we're just getting to the Tesla service center, and this is actually a really small one. It looks like it kind of used to be like a showroom or something, but hopefully we're gonna pull in and hopefully everything goes well.
3 hours later.
I just left the Tesla service center, and this is the rim that I think is basically been causing all the issues. The foam separated from it, and that was the actual diagnosis. And the reason why I think it's this exact rim is because when I balanced the wheel last time, I've had it balanced like twice in the past couple weeks, but then I noticed that they put a ton of weights. See all the sticky tape residue in the back right there, but they put a ton of weights to try and like balance it without realizing that the foam could have separated, and that's why it was causing on this unbalance. The good news is that I was able to get Tesla to remove the foam on the inside of the tire and then rebalance the rim so that it's balanced. But I guess the foam provides some sort of acoustic barrier or helps with noise when you're driving, but I haven't noticed anything on my quick drive yet. But the unfortunate part with all this is that they're kind of back ordered on tires at the moment. So it's gonna take like 3 to 4 weeks, he says, for the tire to come in so that we can replace it. But the other cool thing with all this is everything is completely free. Today's visit was completely free. I didn't pay anything for the diagnosis. I probably won't pay anything for the tire. And I also did get $500 in Uber credits, but that's probably gonna go away because I just waited for the car in the showroom for 2 or 3 hours. So hopefully the tire will come in a lot sooner and we can get this ordeal fixed and everything. But thanks for watching this quick video on my tire or wheel vibration that I've been having with my Tesla Model Y. It could be really a couple things, including like alignment, tire balancing, or like my problem, a tire foam separation. So hopefully this gives you a good idea of what's going on so that if you run into this issue, you can go to your Tesla service center and get it fixed. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please hit that like if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you have any questions on owning or buying a Tesla. I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.